Hey guys, welcome to my latest listing. We're on 2.5 acres here in the heart of Steiglitz. We're so close to Stradbroke Islands that you can see them from the back there. I'm going to sit here and enjoy the breeze. You guys go inside and take a look. Guys, check out all of these sheds. I've never seen so many sheds in my life. There's enough to run a home business or store 14 cars. It's up to you. Alright guys, the last stop on the tour, the local boat ramp. We are literally 1 minute's drive from the property right now. How good is that? Now you can walk down to the boat ramp, bring the kids, there's a kids play area, there's a little basketball court over there, and the best part is you can launch your boat after a hard day, go find your favourite fishing spot and just enjoy your night. So if you want to see this property, please get in touch.